of a four-stroke cycle engine. This is the intake valve where the air and the fuel goes inside the piston chamber. Here's the crankshaft. The crankshaft turns and makes the piston go up, down, up, down. That's the cooling water. That makes the piston that water makes keep the motor cool. That is the exhaust valve. That's where the smoke goes out of the engine. This is the piston. The piston only goes up, down, up, down, up, down. This is the oil. That oil inside the crankshaft makes the motor work well. And this is the spark plug. That spark plug makes a little spark to transform the spark into a explosion. Come forward and see with your own eyes how a four-stroke cycle engine that I built with my dad works. This is an explosion that makes the spark plug. This is the propeller. These are the 8 pistons. And this is the exhaust valve. And this is the intake valve. This is the gasoline that enters inside the cylinder.